Hello, welcome to an Amish family crochet square tutorial. This is part of the Read and Crochet Along project, which is a project where I design granny squares using colors that are inspired by my book covers, and today is an Amish family. And you can choose your own adventure with this project. You can use the colors I've used, you can use the yarn I've used, you can find all that information in the description box. You can also use the hook. I use a 5mm hook for this project, or you can use whatever you want, or you can do the colors in a different order if you would like to do that. It's whatever your heart desires. So what I did for this square is I used frosty green in the middle here, and that is for kind of her dress. It's not quite a match. It's the green in the grass is a little bit too bright for that color, so I tried to match up the frosty green here. This is more kind of like a sage green. And yeah, I don't have any really bright green. I have maybe a little bit left. Some of my other squares use that color. But I'm using what I have. So then white, obviously for her apron and her cap, and also in the barn. And then we have blue, just plain old blue, and that's her dress right here. Also the sky up there. And then hot red to go with the barn. So let's get started. Okay, for round one of the Amish family square, we're going to make a slip knot. And we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to slip stitch to that first stitch to make a ring. And then we are going to chain 3 and put 11 double crochets into the loop, into this ring. 1, 2, and 3. And that counts as a double crochet. So by the time you've done your 11, you're going to have 12 double crochets in this ring. So let's do 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, and 11. Oh, getting right to the end there. Okay. Then that gives us 12. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 and fasten off. Thankfully, since I don't have any yarn left. Okay, and then that's round 1. Okay, for round 2, we're going to turn our work around. We're going to join in any double crochet with white. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do a beginning bobble into this same stitch. So that is, you do a double crochet, yarn over, pull through just the first 2 loops, then do another one, just pulling through this first 2 loops, and then do a third double crochet, but just pull through those 2 loops. That gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through, and then in this next stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. In the next stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And then in the next stitch, you're going to put a bobble. So yarn over, insert your hook to do a double crochet, but just pull through the top of the first 2 loops, and then do that 4 more times. So 1, 2, 3, Oh, do it 3 more times. 2 gives us 4 and 3. All right, you want to have 5 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops. And then you're just going to repeat. So in this next stitch, you're going to do 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. And then 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And then in the next stitch, you're going to do another bobble. So yarn over, do a double crochet, but only pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again. That gives you 3 loops. Do another one, 4 loops. And then one more, just pulling through the first 2 loops, and that gives you 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. And then you'll do 2 single crochets here, 2 single crochets here, and then a bobble, and you repeat that around. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you at the beginning of the round. Okay, we're at the beginning of the round, so you're going to slip stitch into the top of the round, into the top of the first bobble. So insert your hook right there, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to chain 1. We're not going to fasten off, we're going to keep going, and then we're going to turn, and there you have your bobbles. So that's why you have to do it on the reverse side so the bobbles will show through. Okay, so we've chained 1, and then in that same stitch we're going to put 2 half double crochets, chain 2, and 2 half double crochets, and that's going to be excuse me, right into this stitch. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, chain 2, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet, and another half double crochet. Okay, and then we're going to put a half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excuse me. So a half double right here, a half double here, a half double here, and then a half double here. And that brings us to our corner with our bobble, and we're going to place 2 half doubles, 1 and 2, and chain 2. 2 more half double crochets into that same stitch, 1 and 2. And then we're just going to repeat what we did here all the way around. So go ahead and finish that round, and I'll meet you at the beginning. All right, we're at the beginning of the round and another round of yarn chicken. So we're going to slip stitch into that first half double crochet to join our round. So squeeze, oh, hang on a minute. Let's find that stitch. Okay, it's right here. Okay, there we go. And then yarn over. I don't recommend cutting this so close, but I did. All right, so this is what your square should look like so far. You can arrange your bobbles. When you block this, the bobbles will, you're just gonna have to fiddle with it, excuse me, when you do the blocking. But this is what it looks like so far. Okay. We'll meet you for round 4. Okay, for round 4, excuse me, we're going to join in any corner with blue. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to put 2 more double crochets into that same space. 1, and 2. Then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to put 3 double crochets into that same space, and that will complete our corner. So 1, 2, and 3, and now we have a corner. Okay, then we're going to skip the next 2 stitches. Pull your corner over so you can catch this stitch here. So that's going to be 1 and 2. Then you're going to put 3 double crochets into this stitch. 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then you're going to put 3 double crochets into this next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and you're going to put 3 double crochets into the corner. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then you're going to put 3 more double crochets in the same corner. 1, 2, oops, and 3. And that's your side. Okay, so you have your corner, and then you skip 2, 3 double crochets, skip 2 more stitches, 3 double crochets, skip 2 more, and your corner. We do that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the beginning of the round. So we're at the beginning, and we're going to join in the top of that chain 3 right here. Yarn over, pull through, do your slip stitch. And there we have round 4. Fix my bobble a little bit. And I will meet you for round 5. Okay, now we're in round 5, and we're going to join in any corner space. And we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to put 2 double crochets into that same corner. And then we're going to put 3 double crochets into that same corner. So the corners are going to be the same as they were in round 4. Okay, and then we are going to put 3 double crochets in between this next, in between these 3 double crochets and these 3 double crochets. So we're going to just go in that space there. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do it again here. 3 double crochets in that space. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll do it one more time in this space. 1, 2, and 3. So your side's going to look like that. And then in this space, we're going to do our corner. So that's going to be 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. And then we'll do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we're just going to go all the way around doing the same thing. So you'll do 3 double crochets in this space, 3 double crochets in this space, 3 double crochets in this space, and then your corner. So go ahead and do that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the front. Or sorry, I'll meet you at the beginning of the round. Okay, so we're at the beginning of the round and we're going to join in the top of the third, of the chain 3, in the top of the chain 3, sorry about that. And then we're going to fasten off. And there is our Amish family square. Like I said, you can fix these baubles when you block the square. And yeah, so there you go, the Amish family square. And that was an Amish family square. I hope you enjoyed crocheting that with me. If you want to find out information about any of my books, purchase information, also you can find the written tutorials, or I'm sorry, the written patterns for this tutorial on my website, kathleenfuller.com. Thanks. Bye.